Hello, I'm Ina Simpson, and I'm creator of the Simpson Protocol. And this is Tim Horn.
You're fine.
Hi, Tim. You know
Hi, Nat.
you've been with me for a long
Yes.
time, so I'd like you to what from the start of SP and now, how is it different?
It's really amazing. And as we started, I was introduced to the Simpson Protocol even before it was named the Simpson Protocol. It was just working with the superconscious mind, and this is back, well, 15, almost 15 years ago. We ended up meeting for a one-day class in Long Island, New York. We had other people come in, and it was really amazing to be able to work with clients from their point of view. It's all client centered, to learn how to do it in a great way. And I thought, okay, this is a great technique. This is wonderful. I'll be able to use this for the rest of my career. What's been amazing since then is all the additions, all the adaptations we've been able to make. As more people come in and begin to use the protocol, we have more experience from other people using the techniques, and they bring that into the Simpson Protocol fold, and we're able to expand the process. What's wonderful about the Simpson Protocol, from my point of view, is there are no limitations. If we define exactly what the Simpson Protocol is and exactly what it does, we're telling you all the things it doesn't do. And that's something that never happened, even from the very beginning in Long Island, even to all the adaptations we've made, and even to all the different things we've added. All those things were possible because from the very beginning, we didn't say what it couldn't do. We just said it could do just about anything. And
Yeah.
the people who specialized in those other techniques, like hypnobirthing, that sort of thing, quit smoking, every one of the practitioners who come in brings something else and add it to the protocol. And
Yeah.
it makes this technique really fantastic. Because the fact is, as good as our practitioners are, it's the clients we're working with.
Yeah.
And
The
the
client.
client, they end up directing us exactly where we need to go to expand the ability of this incredible technique to make their lives better.
And people like Sean Gallagher for the
Oh, yeah.
birthing program, she brings it in because she's and Kaz Riley in the sexual program,
Yeah.
and even the last practitioner we did with fertility program.
Yeah.
So I mean, it just goes on and on. So it never stops changing.
You have to be willing, first of all, change happens for everyone. And the fact is, what we're doing is we're allowing our clients to change back into what they truly need to be the most complete, whole, and healthy they can be on their own terms. We're not forcing anything on them. We're allowing them to release all the barriers to living their best possible lives. With all the people who are adding into this, all the people who come into the Simpson Protocol, the truth is, this is a community. We
Mhm.
have training meetings, we have a Facebook group. And if anybody has any questions on how to do something, there is always someone who's had an experience with that. There's always someone who's dealt with that particular topic and has an idea or an approach to it that can really allow the clients, for the other practitioners, to gain from it. And that's what I really love about this. You're the head, obviously, of the Simpson Protocol. You are the big boss. You're the big cheese. But the fact is, there's no ego here.
No.
I've been training. I've been training for many years now, the Simpson Protocol. But there are people who've been doing it much less time than I am, who I continuously learn from,
Yeah,
and that's
me
what I
too.
think is,
Me.
and I think that's absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, we
There's
learn
no
from each
ego.
other.
The only thing we're trying to do is get our clients to the best lives they can have,
Yeah.
and ultimately, that's what we all should be doing.
So, what do you need to know about a client when they come in?
Well, really wonderful thing about that is the fact I don't need to know about the client, because the client has all the information available to them, and all we're doing is allowing them to see what it is. If I come in and I say, for example, I have a client who has a fertility issue. If I go in and I know from my point of view, from Tim Horn's point of view, how to fix that, Tim Horn is applying a Tim Horn solution to a client who is not Tim Horn. Their superconscious mind is the one that has all that information. Their superconscious mind, that part that wants their greatest good, it knows how to get there. And all I'm doing is putting the platter down for them and say, you can see what's there. I can't. Tell me, what are you going to do to fix it? And I ask the appropriate questions that you've taught me after all these years. And the clients ask those questions and do the work themselves without me having to put my foot down and botch it up. And they can leave. I've had clients leave and they'll say to me, that's fantastic. Thank you so much. You've helped me. And what did I do? But the fact is, I don't need to know. I don't need to know what the client's done. I just need to know that the client has achieved their goal. Yeah. And then I sleep the sleep of the just, you know?
So I have a question for that, because in follow-up, the people always ask me, what is SP good for? And what is it for?
What I think what I know SP is good for is any issue the client is not sure of, what's preventing them from going forward. You're able to identify those things. I've used it for smoking. I've used it for people overcoming chemotherapy issues. I've had clients who've recovered from cancer more quickly, pain relief, fertility, working with relationships. Any aspect of someone's life, SP has been beneficial for. Because what you're doing is you're getting down to their very foundation of where they are, and you're allowing them to rebuild the things, to create a stronger structure in their lives. This is a little specific, but one of the things about the Simpson Protocol I truly love is the fact that you're getting down to the foundation where people can feel loved, safe, secure, respected, capable, all those things, where they feel that they deserve to have the greatest things in their lives. And from there, they can build the rest out. That foundation is so important. Yeah. So if you love yourself, you're not going to do things to harm yourself. If you love yourself, you take care of the people you care for. If you love yourself, you can allow your body, your mind, your spirit, all those aspects that make up who you are as an individual. All of those are designed to feed that love you have for self. And it allows you to accept the good things that come into your life and reject the negativity. So it can work with just about any issue.
Yeah. I love that. I'm really excited about you and Greg doing these courses in the US. And that's in March. So yeah. Tell me about that.
Well, Greg and I are going to be doing a few classes a year, and you can check out the dates below. What's really great about the protocol is it's gone worldwide. We have people in other countries teaching the class, and we have the ones in the United States that will be coming up. And it affects all different cultures. It helps all different kinds of people, because the trainers also are familiar with their particular clients, and it makes it really special. I'm really excited about the classes coming up. You know, we're talking about how all the clients have to adapt to the situations in their lives. What I've really found incredible in the last, year and several months, with everything being shut down, the Simpson Protocol is really incredibly powerful on Zoom sessions. You get exactly the same results, and sometimes even better results this way. So This is going to be, I think, the technique for the future. I'm really excited about teaching the protocol. And what's really special about it is the fact you don't even have to be a hypnotist to do this. If you do Reiki, if you do massage therapy, if you do access bars, if you do any of these other great holistic modalities, even chiropractors, you can really improve the quality of your clients' lives and give them a gift that they can carry with them for the rest of their lives. Not only that, after the first session, You get to a point where they can go to these levels of healing quickly, efficiently, and your sessions become quicker and more effective each time you do it. That's an incredible gift. That's what I really love about bringing this technique to the United States.